kids, it's time to play. We're going on ABC holiday. Each little letter has a tale to tell, so sing along and learn them well. A is for astronaut zooming through space. B is for bear in a bow tie race. C is for cat in a candy canoe. D is for dinosaur dancing on view. A, B, C, come sing with me. We're on the letter adventure we jump and clap as easy as can be. Learning letters is fun, you see. E is for elephant eating eclairs. F is for fox, white whip and chairs. G is for giraffe with glittery shoes. H is for yoko on your daphne shoes. E, F, G, come dance with me. We're on the letter adventure we hop and spin like a bumblebee. Learning letters is fun, you see.
I is for alien on the island of pie. J is for daredevil daring July.
K is for kangaroo, kick a kite. L is for lava with a lava lamp light. I, J, K, now shouts parade. We're learning letters a silly way. Slide and swing, it's ABC play. Come along, don't be late. M is for mermaid, making mud pies. N is for narwhal, knitting neck